Hi guys, welcome back. And in this video, I want to talk to you about Munch and the 15 reasons you should consider Munch as your micro video and micro content creation tool. Let's dive right in. Number one is a user-friendly interface. Munch, by design, it's simple, it's intuitive. Anybody without a computer science degree or having to work in tech will know exactly how to use it. Two is zero integration hassle. Munch is built in with integration. So if you want to publish to social media, all you have to do is drop your content there. You have the option to basically upload your video natively to Munch, or you can just copy and paste a YouTube video. It's a feature I love. Munch will do the rest of the work, process keyword and topic-driven clips for you to directly publish to social media. Number three is trend analysis. Believe it or not, you don't have to rely on your own intuition and memory for the content that may resonate with your community. Instead, inside the Munch platform, you can see trends and what is more likely to resonate and rank on the internet today. Number four is smart feedback loop. Munch is going to learn your preference and your usage pattern, and therefore, the more you use it, you're going to see even better and more valuable clips. So don't give up too early. Number five is Coherence Score. So this is a really interesting feature. Based on these clips extracted from long-form content, Munch is going to give you all these clips and sort them based on coherence scores, and you can just go from the top. With that said, you do want to review and then make decisions on your own, because frankly, sometimes I do discover that even with a coherence score of 70-75% as opposed to 99%, I don't want to give up on those clips either. Number six, direct social media publishing. That is huge. Without having to leave Munch as a platform, you can immediately publish to your favorite platforms, including YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook. Number seven, it is easy template selection. Now, I'm going to give Munch a lot of credit for this one. It's not just any template, but the templates they give you really work, not just style-wise, visually pleasing, but also business-wise, which means you're going to be proudly sharing your clips. They're looking engaging, but also very professional for your audience. It is optional for you to apply branding elements to these shorts if you want to, such as, color and different fonts, so that your content can look really professional and consistent across your platforms. Number nine is a very hot and popular topic, is AI Code of Ethics, providing trust and transparency when working with clients. Number 10 is ready to share clips. Now that part is really important. It's not just about giving you clips so that you have to edit later, but these clips are ready to use. What if you are missing a word here and there? What if you want to add another sentence? It's really simple because Munch also comes with video editing capabilities, which allows you to really extend the beginning or the end of the clips very easily. Number 11 is optimal creator journey. Look, it's not just a software and Munch is pushing in all these features because they look cool and sexy. No, it's actually designed for creators and for small business owners. So using Munch very much feels like having a creative or thinking partner. The process really makes sense and it's integrated with our existing process and workflows. Number 12 is immediate content repurposing. Now, I really want to make a point about this. I know so many creators and businesses who are sitting on archival content. We're talking about dozens or even hundreds of hours of content. Instead of leaving them to collect dust, with Munch, you can now easily transform them and make micro content like the video clips we're talking about and instantly publishing them to social media channels. In other words, without Munch back in the day, you would need a team, literally a video editor, a designer, and then a supervisor, and then a social media management and publishing platform. Now, with a single subscription, you're able to do all of that. Now, with Munch, you can spend maybe a couple of hours just to get started, process a few long-form videos, and transform them into bite-sized, valuable clips that your community and your clients are going to love. Number 13 is automated subtitling. I know this is a huge part. As I mentioned before, there are templates, and on these templates, there are subtitles that are already built into Munch. So when you get your clips, the subtitles are already built in. You can even choose to hide them if you want to, but with subtitles and with these captions, it actually significantly increases engagement and accessibility. By the way, the accuracy is very high, but if you want to edit them further, such as proper nouns, you're able to do that directly with a built-in video editor from within Munch. Number 14 is multilingual capabilities. So Munch is able to process videos in multiple languages, in fact, up to 20 of them. You should also pay attention to the fact that you can also broaden your audience by introducing additional languages, whether it's subtitles or the language the video is recorded in originally and natively. Number 15 is AI magic. So AI is pretty magic already, and Munch leverages AI to help you identify trends and clips that are more likely to resonate with your audience. Munch doesn't just analyze audio, but also visual as well. It means that it can actually extract key scenes from your videos to make the output even more valuable and engaging. Hey, I hope you like this video. These are the 15 reasons why we use Munch, and please let me know in the comments below what's important for your business, what you like about using Munch. If you like this one, please check out our next video. Not all the tips are technical over there, which I think is really important because common sense isn't always common practice. I'm gonna see you there, okay?